Hey foodies, welcome back to Global Food Safety and Quality Network. Before we dive into today's topic, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our helpful content. Alright, let's get started with today's video all about mastering the art of hand washing. First things first, start by wetting your hands thoroughly with clean, warm running water. Second step, apply enough soap to cover your hands. Third step, rub your hands together vigorously to create a luxurious lather. Make sure to cover the backs of your hands, between your fingers, and under your nails. Quote. Fourth step, use one hand to rub the back of the other hand and clean in between the fingers. Do the same with the other hand. Fifth step, rub your hands together and clean in between your fingers. Sixth step, grip the fingers of each hand together with the backs of your fingers against the palms of your other hand. Rub your fingertips together and rub the back of your fingers against your palms. Seventh step, rub one thumb using your other hand. Do the same with the other thumb. Eighth step, rub the tips of your fingers on the palm of your other hand. Do the same with other hand. Ninth step, time to rinse. Rinse your hands thoroughly under clean, running warm water. Make sure to remove all the soap from your hands. Lastly, dry your hands using a clean towel or an air dryer. Pat them dry completely, including between your fingers. Remember, proper hand washing is a simple yet powerful way to protect yourself and those around you. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends.